Let's talk about Epstein-Barr Virus, also known as EBV, and why it may be affecting how you feel. Hey, I'm Dr. Jason Barker, a naturopathic doctor, and I've been using Mountain Peak Nutritionals in my practice for my entire career, over 24 years now. EBV is incredibly common. Over 90% of adults have been exposed at some point in their life. After that initial infection, which causes mono, the virus doesn't just go away, it stays dormant in your body for life. Now, most of the time, your immune system does just fine, keeping it under control. But under certain conditions, of course, it can become reactivated. Now, according to the research, there are common triggers for reactivation. Those can include things like too much stress on your body, being run down or just not fully recovered, a weakened or overworked immune system. And of course, when that happens, reactivation really doesn't look like that kind of classic mono. Instead, it often presents as ongoing fatigue, brain fog, mild flu-like symptoms, or just not feeling like yourself. So what's the approach with this? Well, the goal isn't to eliminate EBV, but rather it's to support your immune system and reduce the stressors that allowed it to become reactivated. This includes things like prioritizing your sleep, managing stress, and supporting overall immune function. Now, targeted nutritional support is also a really important part of that strategy. Some of my go-tos for keeping EBV under control include things like Immuni-V, which supports antiviral immune activity in the body. Cell Rescue, this one supports antioxidant defenses, helping to keep the damage from the virus to a minimum. There's Immuni-T, which helps support the overall health of the immune system. And then lastly, I can use MSI Support, which helps minimize those aches and pains that are commonly associated with that EBV reaction. So the bottom line is EBV is something most people carry, but when your system is under strain, it can become reactivated and cause a lot of problems. So supporting your immune system and reducing those internal stressors is key to keeping it under control.